Tonight, I just wanna take you high, throw your hands up in the sky. Let's set this party alright. Players, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out! Pop, pop, it's showtime. Showtime, showtime, showtime. Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Gone time. Oh, they don't know. Gone time. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Showed up. I'm wearing Cuban links. Yeah. Designer mix. Yeah. Inglewood's finest shoes. Whoop, whoop. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blues. Woo, shit. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the
All right, guys. Well, we got some powder coating to do today.
However, not like we're used to. Let me introduce you to the Columbia Coatings Kool Koat HD powder coating system. Now, this is a separate piece than what comes with the system. The system comes with this hopper. You can get different hoppers. You can buy, you know, 1 pound, 2 pound, you know, and then online you can get 5, whatever, up to like a 55-gallon drum hopper. Like, very versatile. You can also get box feed stands, kind of like this one.
And if you've seen powder coating systems
before, you know, or like even the box feed system itself on the cart and the whole thing, that's like an industrial box feed system. This is a mini box feed system. This stand right here will help us out a lot better with the, you know, up to like, you know, 1 to 5 pound jobs that
I'm usually doing, like a lift kit or something else, compared to like an industrial box feed stand that's like good for like a 50-pound box.
This is the reason why the upgrade was necessary. Now, for the stuff that I do now, this just severely gets overworked.
You know, results are still good, end results still great, but
efficiency is definitely a problem.
however, when you actually start working the gun, using it often, using it for big projects, big lift kits, big wheels, even just like sets of wheels,
this is what you're gonna need.
This Kool Koat HD
runs about the $2,000 range. If you get the big cart with the industrial box feed, it's about you know, into the 3s. However, the results are still the same, whether it's a drum setup, a industrial box feed setup, a mini box feed setup, or just the standard hoppers that this system comes with. The results are the same across the board.
So we have a set of custom Jeep wheels we're going to do today, amongst a couple other things like a bike frame and a handful of other stuff if we get to it.
We're going to put this to the test. One of the biggest reasons I was really interested in the Columbia Coatings Kool Koat system was because literally go to their website, look at one of the reviews.
One of the reviews specifically had my problem. He said, if you thought powder on the floor was normal,
and he was using this gun just like me, he said this will blow your mind.
Now, there are more expensive powder coating systems. Any gun, whether it's expensive or,
you know, for the hobbyist,
can be used at any level.
But this right here is going to give you that high dollar quality powder coating at a very, very, very nice price.
So Ashley and I are going to get some of these wheels hung up. We're going to get them baked. They're actually going to be a 2-step, which is going to be great because we get to test out the multi-coat nozzle, see how this operates, how this works. And then the bike frame we also have to do is like a 2-stage as well. So this should be really, really fun.
I will love you endlessly. will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you feel like that? I will love you forever. If you only believe in me, yeah. Don't back, back, back. 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 Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. Don't you think like that? I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me, don't you feel like that? I will love you forever. If you only believe in me, yeah. Don't back, back, back. 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 Don't back, back, back.
Alright guys, well there you have it.
The Columbia Coatings Kool Koat HD powder coating system. This thing is absolutely outstanding.
Powder usage, just from what we did, is definitely down at least half. Like that's like a 50% savings already on just material cost, which is actually quite impressive.
There are quite a few powder coating jobs that we have had to order like $300 worth of powder for.
And just cutting that in half would be absolutely nuts.
And guys, look at the finish on that. Look at those welds. You get great coverage even in the tough places, or the places that usually don't want to stick. Look at that, welds in the crack in that tube there. Look at that.
And then what I'm mostly impressed by is the ability to get a custom wheel like this.
Look at that. Little gloss and matte two-tone right on the spokes. That looks real sharp.
To get like results like this so effortlessly and using half the powder we usually would
is just insane. Look at that, guys. That looks so cool, so good. Look at that. And not even that, let me show you the back. All in there, all in the hard to reach places.
You're going to see the Columbia Coatings Kool Koat HD in action a lot more on the channel upcoming here soon, with all the stuff we got to do. I do need to repowder coat everything underneath this guy, get it all done. I don't know if I'm going to switch it up or what, but that needs to be done. Lift for the Bronco needs to be done. There's just going to be a lot you're going to see where not only is the two-stage and that multi-coat nozzle going to come in handy, but just pretty much powder coating anything in general. Now guys, like I said, if you're looking to start powder coating just as a hobby, or you're going to start your own business, or you're looking to get into it more than you already are, this gun, this weapon of choice is definitely the tool you need. Between material savings and making a job like this go so effortlessly and easy, and just it's priced very well, and you're going to get the results you want and need. And I definitely think if you're looking to upgrade,
this thing is actually quite cool, quite awesome.
And I think it's going to help you out too. So if you guys enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up. If you haven't been here before, please get down there and click subscribe. Drop me a comment if you haven't already. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.